So this is just a very quick video before we start the course proper to show you how to ask for help when you need it. So the course page itself on Udemy is very active. As you can see here, we've had lots of people asking for help just this very morning, and we've also got a lot of people on there that are very keen to help people. So any problems that you have in the course, please do post them here. But the biggest mistake that people make when they post their problem usually is not including a link to the actual code that they're running. So that means that around sort of 20-30% of the time, my first question is always, please can you give us a link to your code? So this video will show you how to do that. The ideal way of doing that is just uploading it onto your server like I showed you in the previous video and then providing a link there. If you're having problems with setting up the server or for any reason you can't use that, I'm going to show you how to use jsbin.com, which is a great free site. You don't even need to register for it, which just runs your HTML, CSS and JavaScript and then shows you what the output is. So you can create your code on jsbin.com and then give a link to that. And then I and the other students can very easily go and see what your code is doing and try and work out what's going wrong. So if we have a look at the output here, if I just put a quick h1 tag, hello world, you can see it updates immediately there. That's great. So, and you can put all your CSS in and your JavaScript as well. One piece of advice when you get to the JavaScript section, if you're having problems with JavaScript, then check out the console. That's really useful. So I'm just going to have JavaScript console and the output there. So if I use a basic JavaScript function alert hello and then run that, we get a hello. Fantastic. If I misspell it by mistake, you'll see straight away we've got that error there. So that's a really useful way of debugging your code. It's pretty obvious when you've only got one line, but if you've got tens or even hundreds of lines of code for your application, then it can be difficult to spot what the error is. So the console allows you to work out what is wrong. So if you've got a problem with JavaScript in particular, check out the console. If you've done all of that and you still can't see what's wrong with your code, then this is the link that you need. So all you need to do is copy that and then go over to the discussion and create a new discussion in here. Try and be as precise as possible as to what your problem is, and then give a link to your code right there in the discussion. And then we'll be able to check it out, see what's wrong, and help you as quickly as possible. Now, go on and enjoy the course.